Hi everyone, welcome to our class. My name is Liao Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our topic is ethnic. There's about 56 ethnic groups in China. We're going to learn how to call them and expression about it. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and go through our website. And if you have any suggestions, just comment below. So let's start our course today. So our course is divided into two parts because there are so many different ethnic groups in China. Anyway, first we should learn these four characters. 中国民族, which means ethnic groups in China. 中国民族, we omitted the d between 中国, China, and 民族, ethnic groups. So this is ethnic groups of China. 中国民族, 中国, China. This is the first time we learn it, right? 中国民族, 中国民族, 民族 means ethnic group, and 民 here means citizens, people, and 族 means like a group or a kind of something. 中国民族. And first, we should learn this expression, minorities. 少数民族, 少数, 少 means few, 数 means number, so they only take a few numbers. 民族, 民族 group, ethnic groups, so minorities, ethnic minorities, and he is Mongol, 蒙古族, 蒙古族, read after me, 蒙古族, 蒙古族. And then Uyghur, 维吾尔族, 维吾尔族, 维吾尔族. 回族, 回族, 回族. Tibetan, 藏族, 藏族, first turn, 藏, 藏族, 藏族. 苗族, 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 苗族. Second tone, 苗. And then Uyghur, 维吾尔族, 维吾尔族, 维吾尔族. 回族, 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 回族. And Tibetan, 藏族, 藏族, 藏族. 苗族, 苗族, 苗族. And 彝族, 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 彝族. And Yi people like silver decoration. You can see in this photo, in this picture. And 壮族, 壮族, 壮族. In Korean, 朝鲜族, 朝鲜族. Most of Korean are living near the border of North Korean, and they're living in the northeast of China. And their language are kind of different from North and South Korean, but most of the words are the same. Maybe just some dialect. And then Manchu, 满族, 满族, 满族. And then Kazakh, 哈萨克族, 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 哈萨克族. And 土家族, 土家族, 土家族. And then 白族, 白族, 白族. 傣族, 傣族, 傣族. 瓦佤族佤族佤族 and 布依布依族布依族布依族 and here Nasi 纳西族纳西族纳西族侗族侗族侗族 and this is a very important part, the expressions. What ethnic groups are you from? 你是哪个民族的？你是哪个民族的？ Sometimes you can omit it, this 名 you can directly say 你是哪个族的？你是哪个族的？你是哪个民族的？你是哪个民族的？我是来自云南的傣族人。I am the Dai from Yunnan. Most of the Dai people are living in Yunnan. It's near from my city. It's near from my province. It's in the northwest of China. And 我们的传统节日是泼水节。Here we learn 4 new characters. First, 传统 and then 泼水。我们 we 的我们的 our 传统 means traditional. 节日 we have learned it in holiday means 节日 we have learned in holiday it means holiday. So traditional holiday is 泼水 means to throw water splashing. I think there's some other country have this kind of tradition. 泼水节泼水节 means this is the day that they splash the water, like throw the water to each other, like at the riverbank and have fun. 我是来自云南的傣族人。I am 我是来自 come from 云南的云南 a province 云南 province 的傣族人 Thai people. 我们的传统节日 our traditional holiday is 是泼水节 water splashing festival. And 你是哪个民族的？我是来自云南的傣族人。我们的传统节日是泼水节。Then, have you ever heard the song 56 Ethnics, 56 Flowers? 你听过56个民族56朵花这首歌吗？ This is a very famous song in China, and it has a long history. It's about there's 56 ethnic groups in China, and they are all flowers. They're very important. 你听过 have you heard of? 你听过 means you heard of, but there's a ma after it to express that this is a question sentence. 你听过56 we've learned 56个民族56 ethnic group, and 56 56朵 is a measure for flowers. 56朵花这首歌this 首 is a measure for song 歌这首歌吗？你听过56个民族56朵花这首歌吗？ Have you heard about song 56 ethnics 56 flowers? 你听过56个民族56朵花这首歌吗？是的 yes 是的 yes 我很喜欢这首歌 I like this song a lot 我很 means very 很 third tone read after me 很我很喜欢 like this 首歌这首歌 this song 它 it 告诉 tell 我们 us it tell us 它告诉我们要 means should or need to 尊重 means respect 民族多样性。多样性 means diversity. So this is yes. I love this song very much. It tells us to respect the ethnic diversity. 是的，我很喜欢这首歌。它告诉我们要尊重民族多样性。So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new expression and characters today. Hope you guys can do some reviews and just read them 4 times. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestions, just comment below. Anyway, don't forget to check the homework. Goodbye.